1, 2, 3 Loaded Quesadilla Pizza. Tired of the same old pizza routine? Get ready to have your taste buds blown away. We're mashing up two comfort food favorites, quesadillas and pizza, into one unbelievably delicious creation. This isn't just any pizza, it's a quesadilla pizza. Imagine the crispy golden brown tortilla, the gooey melted cheese, and all your favorite pizza toppings. It's the perfect weeknight meal, ready in minutes. We're talking layers of flavor and textures that will make you say, wow. This recipe is so easy, even the kids can help. Get ready for a fun and delicious cooking adventure. First, grab your favorite tortillas. We recommend using large burrito-sized ones for maximum pizza potential. Next, spread a thin layer of your favorite pizza sauce over the tortilla. Now comes the cheese. Load it up with mozzarella, cheddar, or a blend of your favorites. Don't be shy. The more cheese, the better the melt. Add your favorite pizza toppings like pepperoni, mushrooms, or olives. Fold the tortilla in half like a quesadilla. Now, it's time to cook. You can use a skillet on the stovetop or a panini press for that perfect golden brown crisp. Cook for a few minutes on each side until the cheese is melted and bubbly, and the tortilla is golden brown and crispy. Slice it up like a pizza and get ready to devour. This quesadilla pizza is a guaranteed crowd pleaser. It's perfect for a quick lunch, a fun dinner, or even a party appetizer. The possibilities are endless. Don't forget to experiment with different toppings and cheeses to create your own signature quesadilla pizza. Get creative and have fun. Ready to take your cooking game to the next level? Subscribe to Rena's Kitchenary for more easy and delicious recipes just like this one. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let us know in the comments what toppings you'll be using on your quesadilla pizza. Happy cooking!